I'm Michael Goldstein, President and CEO of LAN Infotech in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We're a managed service provider with a big vertical in the legal industry as well as not-for-profits.
Great, Michael. Thank you so much for being here today. I'm going to go into our first question here, and I was wondering, how do our services at the Crancer Group challenge the way that you do business?
So the services you guys at the Crancer Group provide are just invaluable. I mean, it is unbelievable, what you make me think through my business plans, think through how I would go out there and utilize my services and package those services. It's been a great overall experience, and I don't know what I did before.
That's great to hear. So we've been doing a lot of customer immersion experience events with you, and with this initiative, how has it impacted the way you do business and the way that you approach customers?
So we look at these CIEs as really an added value to our customers and our prospects. We don't necessarily have to market. We offer these as a free of charge type of event. And it really makes it a lot easier for us to go from that client that doesn't understand the full essence of what they're buying in the Microsoft package to actually seeing it and then, of course, wanting it. So it's been a great value to us. I am a CIE instructor, but it's great to utilize your team to be able to go out there and run the event for me so that I can enjoy it and be that sidekick versus the presenter.
Fantastic. So one of our other services that we provide is our package building program. And I know we've put you through it. So how does the package building program challenge the way you approach conversations with your customers?
So I don't know about other MSPs, but we're somewhat organized, but not fully organized. I think that the package building really got us to think out of the box of what services we offer, kind of bundle them together and give them a great unique name and really get something out in the customer's hands. Before that, we would just be calling it managed services or virtual event planning, and we grab a few words that are out there. So you've given us the ability to kind of mold it, put it together, and I guess we don't have to write all that info. You guys have been great in putting words into our mouths and making it sound better.
Great. So I'm just going to kind of open up the floor here. And Michael, do you have any success stories you would like to share overall?
I think, like I said earlier, that the drive to actually getting the customer sign has been an unbelievable experience for us. The CIEs themselves and the bundling that we're able to leave them has really driven up our team's adoption, probably 50–60% more than we would have done in the past. And really, it's helped us in the not-for-profit world and a lot of our chambers of commerces, because instead of us going out there and organizing an event, we've given that to a service back to the community, utilizing these sessions to really help them drive membership and attendance. Hard to put a number on it, but we've won various awards for our community involvement, and I know we couldn't have done that without the Crancer Group.
Well, thank you so much, Michael. It was great having you here today, and we really appreciate our partnership with you.
Thank you.